Getting 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours can be very, very tough. But there's this new app that everybody is talking about. It can actually get you monetized immediately after signing up. And once you start uploading videos on this platform, you start getting views immediately and you start getting paid instantly. And one good thing about this app is the fact that you don't need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, which makes everything super easier. As you already know, here on YouTube, before you apply for monetization, you need to be able to meet the requirement of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months, which is very, very challenging, and some creators even give up before reaching this requirement. And that is why I'm making this video to you today, to explain to you guys exactly how this thing actually works, how the payment system works, and everything that you need to know about this app. So the name of this app is called Rumble app. This app is similar to YouTube. It allows you to stream and watch and post just like the way we do here on YouTube. And you can get it on App Store or Google Play Store, or you can also use your PC as desktop. So when you go to the App Store, you just type in Rumble, and then you'll be able to see the main app here. And they also have the Rumble Studio, which is more like the YouTube Studio dashboard for creators. And I found out that they also have a Rumble wallet, which is more like crypto wallet. I have not really checked out that to know what it's all about, but for the sake of this video, we are going to be focusing more on the content stream and then watch time. So let's open the app and see how it looks like. And when I opened the app, I found out that you can sign in, but at the same time, you can also use it without signing in, just the way we do on YouTube. So let's use Rumble while signed out. Okay, so this is the interface. This is how it looks like. And I believe that this app was built based on how the YouTube algorithm works, because looking at the interface here, we can see the My Feed, and from the top here you can see the topics that you can choose from, like podcast, vlogs, news, sports, life, finance, and crypto. And there is also a search engine at the top here that you can use to navigate the site. And they also have the library and then the create button here, just the same way that we have it on YouTube. So I want to switch to the PC side, and let's take a look at the interface from the PC side and see if everything is still the same as the way we are looking at it on the mobile app. All right, so here is my PC screen, and we can all see that this is the Rumble website that I'm in right now. I have not even signed up yet. I've not signed in yet, but I'm already in the site, and I can be able to view videos, navigate through the sites without signing up. And that is almost how the YouTube algorithm works. Yes, you can navigate, watch videos. The only thing is that before you like the video or before you interact with the content, that is when you are going to need to sign up. All right, and as a creator, that is when you need to sign up before you can start uploading your videos and then getting monetized. So this app looks very, very powerful. This platform looks very, very promising, because from the look of things, everything looks nice on this site, and I think it is something that you need to try out. So the sweetest part of this whole thing is the fact that you don't need to reach $100 threshold before you start getting paid on the Rumble app. This app allows you to, withdraw your balance as soon as you reach $10 threshold. So unlike YouTube here, we have to reach $100 threshold before you can, connect your AdSense and start requesting for payments. But for this app, you don't necessarily need to meet any threshold. If you are able to earn $10, $20 or $50, they can just start, sending your payment immediately. Now I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step process on how to sign up on this app for the very first time as a content creator, as a creator like you and I. So for the first time, if you want to sign up, all you have to do is click on the account, and then it is going to ask you to sign in. Then you click on sign in. So right here, it is going to redirect you to this page where you have to sign in. So if you have not signed up already, you can go ahead and click on sign up. Now I'm going to enter my email address. Then the next thing is to enter your date of birth. And you click next. Then you go through the verification, just to verify that you are a human, you are not a robot. And the next thing is for you to create a username. Okay, then gender and country. Now, once you enter your username, you enter your gender and the country where you are currently staying. Then you accept the terms and conditions and you click on next. Good. Then the next step is for you to create a strong password, a password that you can also remember. And this password has to be at least 8 characters with at least one lowercase, uppercase, one number, and one special character to strengthen the password. Good. Now that we have entered the password, they are going to send you a link to your email for you to verify your account. Then all you have to do is to copy the code that they have sent to your email. So here is the code that they have sent for me for verification, and I'm just going to copy that code. I'm going to copy the code and paste it right in here, and then we click on next. Then you just go through the normal verification and you click on verify. Go again. And that's it. Our account has been successfully created. So what we have to do right now is to go ahead and set up the account according to your niche. So from here, it is asking you, what are you into? Select at least 3 interests to personalize your Rumble experience. And this is actually the same thing that YouTube asks you when you sign up on YouTube for the first time. They want to know how they will be able to recommend content to you. So I might just go ahead with finance and crypto, entertainment, and news. All right, then we click on next, and they are going to recommend you with creators that you can follow. I'm just going to follow this one for now, and that's it. This is how the interface is going to look like after signing up. And as you can see, I'm already seeing the earnings button here, which means the account is already monetized. I don't even need 1,000 subscribers or 4,000 watch hours to be able to start earning. Now, the next step I'm going to show you is how to start uploading your videos. But first of all, let's navigate through the profile and see how everything looks like before we start uploading a video. Let me click on the earning button, and from here we can be able to see all the earnings on this platform. I don't know why they are saying YouTube earnings, third-party earnings, and Rumble earnings. You see, so this app is very, very interesting. Yeah. Okay, let me go to settings, edit profile. You can go ahead and edit your profile from here. And now this brings us to the payment method. You see here, they are going to ask for your full name. They will ask for your phone number, your address, your city, your state, your country. And finally, they are going to ask you for your PayPal account. So for now, this platform is currently accepting PayPal accounts to pay content creators, which is why I made this video on how you can create a PayPal account if you are in West Africa. This is for countries that has issue with PayPal restrictions. So you can follow that video to create a PayPal account, a working PayPal account that you can use to receive payment from this Rumble account. And then you are going to put in your email here, and that is where they will be sending your payment to. Okay, so guys, let us try to upload a video. We are going to click on create, and then we have 2 options, which is upload video or you can go live. So we'll go ahead and upload a video. Now, after you have selected the video that you want to upload, then on the left corner here, you have to select the thumbnail. Here we have to enter the title. The title has to be at least 100 keywords maximum. And then you can also enter the description here. Select the channel. So if maybe you are running multiple channels, you can select it from here. But I'm just having one channel for now, so I select that channel. Then categories, primary category. What is this about? This is about vlogging, so I will just go ahead and choose vlog. Then secondary category, what is this about? Let's search for content creation. I can't find content creation here, but anyway, let me just leave it that way for now. Then we are going to click on next. Okay, so the next thing it says you have not signed an exclusive agreement with any other parties. Well, yes, this is my content. I have not signed any exclusive content with anybody. Okay, select a license, non-exclusive, which is similar to YouTube. So you can, from here you can choose whether to just upload these videos on your channel, or you can, you know, monetize them. So let us choose the non-exclusive, which is similar to YouTube. Then we click on publish. Now let us wait whilst this video is, you know, uploading. I'm going to continue uploading video on this platform just to see how this platform performs, and I'll be giving you guys updates on how this platform is performing. So guys, this is an opportunity for you to try out this platform, because you know, this platform, I'm not sure if this requirement is going to remain like this forever, because the more people get to know this platform, the more they are likely going to put pressure on the creators, and at that moment they will start asking for requirements before you get monetized. So this is the right time for you to take opportunity and start uploading on this app. This is how it all started with TikTok. A lot of people saw the potential in TikTok and they took advantage of it from the beginning, and those people succeeded before the platform gets crowded. So this is your sign to take off. Serious. And the sweetest part of this platform is the fact that you don't need to reach the $100 threshold before they send your payment to you. Once you are able to, you know, generate a revenue of at least $10 on your account, they will process your payment